Cement business, two cement companies reported their numbers today.
Both missed estimates. Let's first talk about Ramco Cements. Now, Ramco Cements, it missed estimates on both profit and on revenue front. Now, the sales figure was hit by non-availability of sand in Kerala, supply disruptions due to rail accidents in Odisha and West Bengal, and an active monsoon in the northeast. While EBITDA margin, as you can see, which also declined by about 173 basis point, was affected due to higher fuel prices and weak cement prices in this quarter, Shweta. As a result, the stock also tumbled, but again, as the story goes, it was a day of buying, so it recovered losses and ended on a flattish note in today's session.
All right. And the other cement company, of course.
So, the stock of India Cements did not really do well. It was down about 4%. As you can see, the numbers were actually worse than Ramco Cements.
Okay.
The net profit, it reported a net loss of 87.4 crore in this quarter versus about a 80 crore profit in the year ago period. Meanwhile, revenue fell about 5.12% to 1436 crore from 1514 crore in the previous quarter. Now, EBITDA improved by about 20% and EBITDA margin improved by 299 basis points.
Okay. Amit, would it be fair to say that it's been a mixed bag so far for cement industry and cement companies who've reported their numbers?
Yeah. I think both the numbers which we have discussed, Ramco and India Cements, they are, their major operations is in south of India. And both the results were hit hard by higher cost and lower sales volumes. The price hikes which they took in the first quarter of this calendar year, they had to reverse, some of those price hikes. In fact, in the case of India Cement, they have to reverse almost 100% of the price hikes. And obviously, the unseasonal rains which have, hit the South Indian market. That has also impacted the demand a lot. So I think that both the companies' performance was impacted by the increase in the cost of fuel and power. In the case of India Cements, I think there was an impairment charges of almost 120 crores as well. And in Ramco Cements, again, the rail accident which happened in Odisha, that also killed the supply for almost, I would say, 20 days or so, which the company has reported. So I think in the short term, given that Q2 is a seasonally weak quarter, we could see some more pain going forward with things picking up in Q3 when the rains go away.
Okay.
So,
While
Shweta,
India Cements also in third quarter, yes,
had to write off a one-time impairment of certain investment and advances, which was about 114 crores. So, if we add that back, the company would have posted a profit in this quarter.
Both Ramco and India Cements not really living up to the expectations on the street. Amit, thanks very much for joining with your inputs. Suyash, before I let you go, what are the other big results we are expecting today?
So, Shweta, among other big companies that will come out with its results today are Godrej Consumer, Torrent Pharma, Max Healthcare and Tata Chemicals. Now, these are as we said.
And PB Fintech.
PB Fintech is
the
another
parent company
yes.
for Policy Bazaar.
Important earnings to track.
Important earnings to track. Suyash, thanks very much for joining with all those details.